Welcome to my secret mascara routine. In this video, I will be sharing my step-by-step process to achieve gorgeous, voluminous lashes that will last all day. Whether you are a beginner or a makeup enthusiast, this tutorial will provide you with helpful tips and tricks to enhance your lash game. Join me as I reveal my secret techniques for stunning lashes, and get ready to flutter those eyes with confidence. Welcome back to our channel, makeup lovers. In today's video, I have a special treat for all of you. I am going to share my secret mascara routine. If you've ever wondered how I achieve those long, luscious lashes, this is the video for you. Stay tuned as I walk you through each step, so you too can have lashes for days. Step-by-step guide. Curl your lashes. Start by curling your lashes using an eyelash curler. This simple step will instantly open up your eyes and prepare your lashes for mascara application. Gently position the curler at the base of your lashes and hold for a few seconds, then release. Apply a lash primer. For extra length and volume, apply a lash primer before your mascara. This will help your mascara adhere better to your lashes and provide a long-lasting effect. Comb the primer through your lashes using a clean mascara wand. Wiggle and coat with mascara. Now it's time for the magic. Take your favorite mascara and wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes. This will create a nice lift and prevent clumping. Then, gently sweep the wand upwards to coat your lashes from root to tip. Apply a second or third coat if desired. Separate and define. Using a clean spoolie or lash comb, carefully separate any clumps and define each individual lash. This step will give your lashes a flawless and natural look, making them appear fuller and more voluminous. Lower lash love. Don't forget about your lower lashes. Use a smaller mascara wand or a specialized mascara for lower lashes to define and lengthen them. Apply a light coat to avoid a heavy, spidery look. Lower lashes being coated with mascara using a smaller wand. And just like that, you're ready to flaunt your gorgeous lashes all day long. I hope you enjoyed learning my secret mascara routine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.